Hey, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Reflex Image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification icon. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. In the previous video I dropped, I talked about how to actually generate backdrop on someone's initial backdrop, probably relive that backdrop, and actually want to generate your own from it. I actually make use of it, how to use Adobe Creative Cloud Firefly to generate realistic studio backdrops and how to actually make use of them. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to actually get free files, free overlays from Pinterest. Many of you might have heard Pinterest, but actually don't know how to make use of it. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to actually make use of Pinterest and get nice backdrops, not generate, get nice studio backdrops from there to improve your picture editing skills. I've been using this for quite a while now, and I've actually gotten nice files from them. But the catch there is that most of the files there are not of high resolution. So probably you actually download the file there and you want it to be of high resolution. Once you're done with this video, kindly go and watch my previous video which I dropped about using Adobe Creative Cloud and actually transform this low quality image to high quality image. So with no further ado, let's jump to action. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Someone out there might be in need of this. And also drop a like and comment also. And if you have any question, my WhatsApp number is displaying on the screen right now. You can actually just contact me via WhatsApp and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So the first thing is to actually go to pinterest.com, pinterest.com. Then click on OK. Automatically it's going to load up the site for you. If you don't have an account with them, just go and create an account with them. Just come over here and sign in or sign in with your Google Cloud. As you can see, when I actually load up my page right now, it's already giving me studio backdrop. That's because I've actually used it in the past to search for studio backdrop. But it's going to give me hyper realistic studio backdrop relating to what I've actually used in the past. And they are going to be of nice designs. So they actually save memories. They know what you actually used in the past and what you might be needing for your next project. So that's the one of the beauty of Pinterest right now. So probably let's say we are looking for a studio Canva backdrop. Let's say a Canva backdrop. Just come and search a studio Canva backdrop and just click on enter key. So it's going to actually search Canva backdrops for you. As you can see, it's going to load them up for you in the very best way possible. And there are so many options to actually choose from. So many options to choose from. Beauty about it is that if you are to even click on just a single one, it's going to load up files relating to the one you click. Like this now, we click on this right now. If you have to scroll down, you're going to see file relating to what we just clicked. So that's one of the beauty of it. So you can generate as many files as you want, both baby overlays, etc. etc. So with this right now, you can generate so many files. Now let's click on this baby overlay right now. You can see, wow, this is nice. I love this backdrop. As you can see, just click on want to download anyone, just click on the options here, click on download. Automatically it is going to download to your phone or your system, whatever you're using. You can just get the app on your phone, mobile phone, and actually just save it there. So which is very nice, very easy to actually use. You just have to bring them to your Photoshop and actually make use of them. Like this right now, when we downloaded it actually came with a watermark, so we can actually use this like this. So to actually know how to actually use this without the watermark, all you just need to do is to watch my previous video and go and generate this particular type of backdrop. It's going to generate it for you this way without the watermark, and it's going to be of high resolution also, unlike this. This one we download right now is of 44 kilobytes, if I'm not mistaken, 44.8 kilobytes. So if you have to take it down to the Adobe AI, it's going to actually reduce all those kilobytes for you and actually increase those kilobytes for you and make it a megabyte picture, which are very nice and straightforward to use. I hope this video helps a lot. If you actually does, please drop a thumbs up and don't forget to share with friends. Someone out there might be in need of this, someone might be in desperate need of this. And also don't forget to follow me on TikTok also. I'm on TikTok right now. Follow my account on TikTok to help move the business forward. See you guys on my next tutorial. Reflex out.